Okay, guys, very quickly, I will re-explain what I was explaining. So now let's see, maybe before I even go deeper, let me just check if you are all able to see my screen. Can you see my screen now? Is it clear?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, then it's fine. So this is what I was saying, honorable members. We've got the formula for calculating the EMF, where we said VMF is equals to V external that you plus it with V internal, where we said the formula for V, what we know is that it's IR, but when it's V external, then we use capital letter R, and then that means the I remains as capital, meaning the current that is flowing externally is the same as the one flowing internally. Then for R, for the int, we use small letter R. So what I was saying was the I, since it's common, meaning it's the same externally and internally, we take it out as common factor. Inside we have capital letter R, but you plus it with small letter r. So the capital letter R is for the resistors which are connected externally. And then this one, it is the one which is inside a, let's say, the electricity box. Just saying was, I will just have a drawing, something similar to that. I will do that. Maybe let's have a resistor there, and then we can have a resistor there, another resistor there. I will need you guys to participate on this one. So what I'm going to say is we are having 2 ohms there. Let us say 1 ohm there, and then let us say 2 ohms there. So we'll do that, saying we've got the EMF there, then maybe let's say small r, it is 0.5 ohms. Okay, maybe let me make it a bit more interesting and then say there we have V1. Maybe let's say we are having ammeter number 1. Maybe let's say there we are having a V2. What else? What else can I say? Okay. Yeah, I'll just be thinking about something in the meantime, but it's fine. So you may be given something similar to that. I'm just having a feeling that there is something that I need to provide, which is the ammeter. I'm just trying to, okay, I'll make it even more interesting. I will connect an ammeter there, and that will be ammeter number 2. That will be ammeter number 3. So the reading on ammeter number 2, let us say that is 1. I will make it 2 there. 2 amperes, and then the one flowing that side is 1 amperes. Okay, then it's fine. Remember, guys, this is just a question coming out of my mind. So I'm setting a question paper there, and I'm going to be asking you questions based on that. You do it quickly, I give you time, and then you give me the answers, then we do the corrections immediately. So question number 1, we'll start with question number 1, which will therefore say what will be the reading on ammeter number 1? This is the first question. If you want to know the marks, this question can be given 2 marks. The next question, it's fine. We will get to that after we've answered this question. Okay, anyone who would like to give it a try regarding what will the reading be on ammeter number 1? If you've got an answer for that question, just unmute, mention your name, and I will recognize you. So let's see, Juanita and Mbali, any of you who would like to give it a try?
I'm still working on it, sir.
Still working on it. Okay, then it's fine. Who was speaking there? Was it Juanita? The other honorable
Yes,
member, you want me to give it a try, or are you still working on it as well?
the show, I can't see well the diagram.
What are you saying there?
I can't see well the diagram, sir.
You are not able to see the diagram.
Yes.
Is it because you're not able to see my screen, or it is not zoomed in? Can you see it now?
The EMF, sir.
Which one? You want this one?
No.
Which one?
Oh, okay.
Okay, what is the answer now? Remember that people said no idea. You just mentioned say no idea. So I'm aware that you don't know where to start or how to work it out. Then I will explain. Are you making any progress, honorable members? Guys, are you winning there? Hmm? Okay. No response, which is fine. I will therefore work out. Guys, is it difficult? No response. So remember, guys, this is what happens when they say, "What is the reading?" When they say, "What is the reading on the ammeter 1?" It's like they want you to calculate the current. How does the current flow? what we know is that the current will flow like that. When it gets there, it will split. Some current will flow through that side, the other current will flow through this side. From there, it joins, and then it goes back to that. So that means if 2 amperes flows on this side and 1 ampere flows this side, it means when they are combined, it is 3 amperes, because it is 2 plus 1 that is splitting when it gets to parallel connection, and then it joins, which means it is 2 amperes plus 1 amperes, being 3 amperes. That will therefore be the reading on ammeter number 1. Does it make sense, honorable members or members who are honorable?
Yes, sir. I didn't
Question
understand.
number
Can
2.
you explain again?
Let me do this. Let me do that. Okay. What the current flows. Remember to mute your mic so that we are not interrupted by the background noise. Augustino, you need to mute your mic, honorable member. It's muted. Do not click on that button. So the honorable member who wanted a re-explanation, this is what happens. Remember that on a simple electric circuit, yeah, this part you will need to make sure that you remember, because if you don't, saying and I'm sure you know, you just forgot. You do know very well, but you just forgot, and I've given it to you in a more tricky way. But this is what happens. The current will flow from the positive side to the negative side. How do you know which side is the positive? This long line, it is the positive side. This short line, it is the negative side. So that means the current will flow like this. From this side, it will do that. But when it gets there, it's like water. It flows inside that hose pipe, but when it gets there, it reaches a T-junction. So that means other water will flow through that side. You remember when I was saying, Abanye bayangali, Abanye bayangali. And then from there, it joins into that single hose pipe. So that means if the water that is flowing through this main hose pipe, that one which is the unsplitted, if the water flowing there, it is 5 amperes. That means the water that splits there, if 3 goes to that side, it means 2 comes this side. If maybe 2,5 that side, that means this side 2,5. If that other side is 1, means the other side is 4. Oksala yo. After they've split it in that proportion, doesn't matter what proportion, when they connect or when they join, is the combination of that and that. So what I did for this question, I did not give you that, but I just gave you the splitted currents. So you must know that when you combine these two currents, they take you back to that unsplitted current, which is the same one flowing internally. Does it make sense now, honorable member? I hope it does. I hope and believe it does make sense. Kendra Isaki, was it you? Not Kendra Isaki, let me see. Juanita, was it you or was it Bali? Does it make sense now?
It, yes, it makes sense. Yes.
Can you see that you forgot a joint?
It's
Okay.
Bali, sir.
Oh, it was in Bali. It's fine. So the next question now is calculate the effective resistance. That and that and that. You guys are in grade 12. We'll just give you 4 marks for that one. Okay, as you check it. What is the answer there, honorable members? Are you done with that question? Guys, what's happening there? Guys, what's happening there? Silencing code. Are you guys winning there? Not able to hear I'm not able to get a sense of what's happening on your side. Guys, do you know what you're supposed to do? Hmm? Do you know what you're supposed to do, honorable members? Okay, then it's fine. I will work it out for the sake of making progress. I'm not sure if you guys are still there or if you disappeared. But what happens in this case, you need to calculate R tot. We know that the formula for calculating R tot, it is R1 that you plus it with R2, that you plus it with R3. We already have 2 ohms there that we need to plus it with. Now we have resistors connected in parallel. So we are forced to now use this formula in order to convert that connection from parallel to series. Let's see. 1 over R parallel will therefore be equals to 1 over 1 that you plus it with 1 over 2. And what we know is that R parallel will be equals to exactly that same thing, but you will just say to the exponent -1. And then that means we have 1 that you plus it with 0, 0.5, which makes it 1.5. 1.5, it is the same as 3 over 2 to the exponent 1. So this thing on its own, it is the same as 2 over 3. So what is 2 over 3 as a decimal? I think that will be 0, something. I will need a calculator. This is what I'm expecting you guys to do on your side so that I know what the answer is. 0, 7. Correcting to 2 decimal places. 67 ohms. So now that's what you take and submit. No, substitute there. So that means your R tot will end up being this thing plus 67 ohms as your R tot. Remember the one for the capital letter. Do you include that one? No, you don't. Why? Because that one, it is not part of the external. That one, it is the internal resistance. But when you calculate the resultant or the effective resistance of the external circuit, you don't include that one for the internal. That's how you would work out that question. So let me check again. Does it make sense, honorable members or members who are honorable? Did you guys get that one? Any questions on that one?
No questions, sir.
So the next question will be calculate the EMF of the electric circuit. The EMF. So now let's see. Can you guys calculate the EMF? For you to do that, we'll just give you, I think 3 marks will be enough. I hope you guys were writing all the information that I was writing there. Just in case if you need to use that info, you know you've got it. So guys, very quickly, work on calculating the EMF. I will give you a maximum of 5 minutes to work on that one. Not a complicated thing to do. You must be having the formula. You pull out the formula and then you do your thing. So let's see how far you guys can go. Are you guys winning there? Guys, are you winning there? Are you coming all
Yes.
right?
Yes, sir.
Still working on it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, Lindy. Izobeng Lindy.
So I got 9,51.
Let's see. Okay, there's a call coming through. and it is definitely going to interfere with the lesson. What am I going to do? I'll just wait for it to hang up on its own. Okay, let's see, guys. Are we still together? Can you hear me? There was a call coming through. Can you guys hear me? Okay. And again, can you see my screen? Yes, my screen must still be sharing. Someone gave an answer there. What was your answer? What did you get as your answer? Hmm? Someone gave an answer there. What did you get as your answer again? Okay. So let's see. The question will be, which formula am I going to use there? Because all of that has been expanded. All of that has been exposed. Do you have that? Yes, we do have that. Which is that one there? Do we have this? Yes, we just calculated it. Do we have this? Yes, we just calculated. So that means we can substitute using that. And then that's how we will get our EMF. Does it make sense, honorable members? Hmm? This one is tremors. This one we got it to be 2.67. And then you plus it with 0, 0.5. And then what is it that you're having? You have 3 into, what is that? Is it going to be, no, not 2, but 3. 3, obviously 0 there, but it's going to be 3. I don't know. Let me not make myself no, and just punch it there. This morning. 3 into this one, it was that. This one is that. And then it's a 9.51. Yes. So this is what I'm getting. 9.51. So this is whatever, but the answer is 9.51 because it's the EMF. It's measured in volts, so you need to say V. Did you guys get it? Hmm? Guys, did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Any questions?
No questions, sir.
No question. Okay. Then it's fine. So now, for example, if they want you to calculate the reading on V1, you know the formula for calculating V, it's equals to IR. So that means the R, it is that one of 2, and then the I, it is that same one of 3, because 3, it is the one passing there. Again, for V2, same thing. You will therefore say V2 obviously equals 2IR. What is a I? The I, if you use for the combined, for example, if you use that one of 3, That means even the R you use for the combined. When I say the combined, I mean the one for R parallel, the one of 2,67. But for example, if you use that one of 1 amperes, you might find that even for R, you use the one for that. Yeah, I'm just looking at that and I'm trying to find out if those values that are given are sensible. But otherwise, I'm just explaining the process that you might need to go through. The reason why what I'm looking at might not make perfect sense, it is because you might find that if you had to perform calculations, you might find that it's not actually 2 that flows through that side, and it is not actually 1 that flows through that side, because I just gave estimates there without having to calculate before, just so that we have got some values that we can work with. But otherwise, I hope you guys got an idea of how to work it out. Any questions on that part of calculating the V, or do you guys understand the process that you need to go through? I hope you guys got it. Okay, then it's fine. So I'm going to give you guys something to do within the remaining 15 minutes and share your answers via inbox. Then I will look into those and assist you when necessary. And then I will do that and then do that. Okay. Let's see. Maybe I will do that one and say this is ammeter number 1. This is ammeter number 2. And then that is ammeter number 3. And then I will do that. I will do that. And then I will do that. This is what they normally do. Then you know that, okay, EMF will be there. So maybe on this one, let's say the EMF is equals to 15 volts, and then you've got 1,5 ohm there. You have 2 ohms there. You have 2 ohms there, and then you've got small R there. So now let's see. You've got that, you've got that, you can calculate. What is it that you know? I will need to provide something there. Let's say the reading there it's 1,5 amperes. Okay. 1,5 amperes. That means we can say okay, then it's fine. I will rotate this like Eva. Why is this thing not rotating now? Oh, I want to rotate it so that I can write the questions, but it's fine. I'll write the questions there. Question number 5 will be question number 1, I mean. So calculate reading on ammeter number 1. And then, okay, let's say ammeter number 1 and ammeter number 2. For this question, we will give you 2 marks. And then now, no. 2 marks, that one remains. Okay, the next question can be are effective. Are effective. Okay, the last question will be a small letter r, meaning r internal. Is r internal. These are the questions that you will need to attend to. So let me just verify for the last time. So for you to calculate that one and that one, okay, that, okay, I'll need to provide marks there. Again, we'll just give you 4 marks for that one. And then for this one, we'll just give you 3 marks. So let's see. You have that, and then you take that. No, for that and that, it's easy. You should know that this and that. For that one, you've got that and that. And then for that one, you've got that. You must be having that. And then you already know about that. Then you just use your mathematical knowledge to work it out. Now, you won't need 15 minutes on this one, but 10 minutes will be enough. So let me just check. Any questions, honorable members, on that one? Do you know what you're supposed to do? Are you ready or are you done? Can you take a screenshot? Yo. Okay. Hey, I thought I was disconnected. I don't know why, but this thing can see now. I'm trying to rotate. It's no longer rotating. Guys, did you get the question?
Yes, sir.
Did you take a screenshot?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then it's fine. You can work it out very quickly, take a photo, and then submit by sending me the photo. Remember that as you send your photo, you need to write a text on it so that I know what your name is. For example, mine would be a D. Obviously, I wouldn't be out, but for this lesson, I am out. But on your site, you will therefore, somewhere there you can just write a Mbali. Otherwise, Agostino or Giovanni. I'll be waiting for your answers, and I will look into those and I will assist you accordingly.